Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On February 2nd, 2025, the European Union just dropped on a groundbreaking journey by implementing the initial provisions of Artificial Intelligence Act, the AI Act. This legislation marks the world's first comprehensive legal framework designed to regulate AI, aiming to ensure its safe and ethical deployment across various sectors. There's been a bit of agitation and debate about this AI law implementation and how it will affect the business. Even Trump have commented and he warned. Look at this. The enforcement launch comes amid growing tension with the United States, particularly following Trump's recent warning about retribution for the European Union targeting US tech companies. So this is going geopolitical, tech political kind of issue. Trump has explicitly stated that he views moves by Brussels against US companies as a form of taxation. A senior EU official involved in the AI Act's implementation told the Financial Times that while they acknowledge the US pressure, the law would not be altered. What we can do is ensure that it is as innovation friendly as possible, and that's what we are doing right now. So that's what it is happening. That's the official press release from the European Commission itself. That's the first rule of Artificial Intelligence Act are now applicable from Sunday 2nd February. So where did this AI law came from? So the journey began in April 2021 when the European Commission proposed the AI Act, recognizing the transformative potential of AI and the need for a structured approach to manage its risks and benefits. After extensive deliberations, the Act was officially enacted in August 2024, setting the stage for its phased implementation. The staged implementation comes in February 2nd, 2025. Prohibited practices ban and the AI literacy requirements rolls out. From August 2nd, 2025, general purpose AI model obligations will come into effect. From August 2nd, 2026, the remaining obligations will roll out. From 2nd, 2027, safety components requirements. Key provisions effective from February 2nd, 2025 is about AI literacy. So any organization deploying AI systems are now mandated to ensure that their personnel possesses adequate knowledge about AI's opportunities and their risks as well. This initiative aims to foster a workforce capable of responsibly managing AI technologies. As of now, even in tech companies, they just blocking all their URLs like ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek. They're just blocking there. They don't see the opportunity. All they see is no, right now it's not the right time. It's a risk of anything involved in that kind of intelligence. But practically the personals doesn't have adequate knowledge about proper benefits and what's the proper negatives on it and how safely we can implement it. That's where this law come into place, where we can have knowledgeable personals to deploy this kind of AI into the daily workforce. Another main important point was prohibited AI practices. This act identifies and bans AI applications deemed to pose unacceptable risks. This includes systems that manipulates human behavior, exploit vulnerabilities, or conduct real-time biometric surveillance in public spaces without proper authorization. Like government organizations could do that, but not as in public or private companies will do that. That's what it is all about. And the mandatory literacy and implementation I was talking about, general purpose AI coding, and then GDPR. Already we have a strong GDPR on European law, but now this AI will get involved in that and see if how much personal data is being utilized by AI, and the law will enforce that it will be carefully handled. In response to the European Union's Artificial Intelligence Act, which began enforcing certain provisions on February 2nd, 2025, OpenAI has introduced a European data residency option on February 5th, 2025. This feature allows businesses in Europe to process and store their data within the region, covering services like API, ChatGPT Enterprise, and ChatGPT Education. And it comes with advanced encryption techniques, a commitment to not training on customers' data, comprehensive data protection measures, and a data processing addendum. OpenAI ensures robust data security. Yes. Enterprise customers eligible for zero data retention can enable European data residency, meaning their data such as chat interactions, image generations, or audio transcriptions is processed and stored within the European Union and Switzerland. To utilize these features, set up a new project, select EU as your region, and use eu.api.openai.com. For ChatGPT Enterprise and education users, this ensures that the conversation and files are stored in Europe. However, some data like billing information or interaction with third party services might still be stored outside Europe. Additionally, certain features like Apple Intelligence and third party GPTs aren't supported under this data residency option yet. I would like to hear your thoughts on the EU AI law effective from February 2nd and OpenAI's compliance through the introduction of data residency in Europe from 5th February 2025. Please share your comments, subscribe for more updates, and goodbye.